I just finished this antique Bontems double singing bird cage, and this is the very large 2-foot tall model. Gorgeous birds. Has a brand new Merlot colored floor, and then I also replaced all of the tattered foliage. I really like it a lot. So we have off-white colored flowers and then red roses. The top bird is a wonderful, very clean and crisp white bird. Everything coordinates very nicely. And if you also notice, it's a little subtle, but the roses go from the smaller bird sitting on the floor up to the bird in the top, signifying love because the birds are together. Works exactly as it should. I already have it wound. Very strong song and perfect animation. Let's watch it play. It's tough to catch both birds at the same time. The top. So the birds open and close their beaks, flap their tail, and rotate their head, all synchronized to the bird song. It's really an exceptionally strong singer. Turn it off. And it does have the original winding key as well. Very large key. So in summary, an antique circa 1900 Bontems double singing bird cage that works perfectly. Very nice overall antique condition with appropriate patina. Take care.